And then these are all metallics meshing in together. Now this is just a trial piece for what I'm going to do, which is I want to do a Dutch pour. But my colors, I am not sure if they would all blend well together. Because I'm such a person who loves color that I just think that everything should just mesh well together and it'll come out really nice. But I'm going to do a phthalo blue, the Deco Art Matte Metallic in blue sapphire, Momenta fabric paints in turquoise. This is Rosalie's Mysterious. I believe I gave the recipe once before on my other video, but just in case, it's 1 tablespoon of metallic cobalt blue, 1 tablespoon of Pebeo iridescent blue green, 1 teaspoon of black flash, 1 tablespoon of pearlescent medium by Sargent's, 10 drops of Art Alchemy deep turquoise, and 1 tablespoon metallic sapphire. Now I mixed it all in one cup like this, and it came to about maybe 2.5 ounces or more. So it was like up to here, and then I just filled the rest of this stuff with floetrol. Then this is my Master's Touch light magenta. This is Deco Art Matte Metallic in gold. Beautiful, beautiful color, makes beautiful, beautiful cell. And then Modern Masters Metallic Coal Mint satin finish with floetrol. And this is my mixture. If you refer back to my one painting, the Facebook request coasters, you'll see the ingredients for this, or all the paints that's inside of this. So I called it the Metallic Red Rose. So let's get started. I've prepped my back of my tiles with my little magnerds. That's just to help me tilt it. And then I also cleaned the top with cotton ball and alcohol. Now you have to make sure that you clean these really well, because they're dust and clay and whatnots are on the surface of this. So alcohol removes everything, including the oils from your fingers, your hands. Okay, so then here I have my Dutch pour white. I'm gonna shake that up a little bit. There we go. Get my napkin ready. Pop my little bubbles here. Okay, now this Dutch pour is thick. So are all my paints, but when I this is a test run to see if all these colors will go well when I get ready to do a Dutch pour, because these are the colors I want to use. Yes, I know I'm putting the phthalo blue and the sapphire blue together. I just mixed this up, so there's probably floetrol at the top. But I'm trying to keep a distance between my metallics. And then these are all metallics meshing in together, but since I think I have enough non-metallic in there, it should be fine. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I'm gonna do a little bit of surrounding the colors with my Dutch pour white. Let me center this back up. So here I go. I'm going to blow the white over my colors. Ooh, that's dizzying. Okay, I'm going to blow corner to corner. Now, if these turn out well, they're going to become my Trivets. Okay, let's wipe the surface and make sure you have white where white's supposed to be. Okay. This is beautiful. That is, you see that? Isn't that pretty? So, hey, I chose some pretty decent colors here. Just, well, that went overboard, so I guess I'll have to blow all of them. Okay, wipe once more. That is beautiful, and I have a Loki hair here. Now, number 2. Oh, I gotta fire this baby up. Ooh, sooky. So these colors are gonna look well on a painting. And the love I left behind. Those are gonna look good as a trivet. Oh, I can't wait to show you this. Okay, back to the same colors. and my metallic red rose. Oops, there is a Loki hair. Right there is a Loki hair. Loki hair. Surround it with white. Okay, blow those bubbles out. Blow the white paint over your colors. Okay. This is the closest corner, so I'll go with that corner. Now I'm going to have to go over to match the other one. Okay, that looks good. Add color there. Sorry, but I'm a little bit dizzy. See that? Isn't that pretty? Torch this baby out. Oh, that one cell over there is beautiful. Okay, I am going to let me bring you down. Okay, here's the first one. Look at the cell over there. Looks like it's got an eye in it. And the sides, which I had because the one started flowing over, but it looks good. Here's the other one. And there's, look at that beautiful cell right there. Hope we don't lose it. The center is gorgeous. My matte metallic rose is beautiful. I say there's the cool mint, there's the gold. I see a face like a crab or something right there. Okay, now I'm gonna try it in the Dutch pour.